Hello people and welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm going to show you as quick as possible how to start and link a HTML document in CSS. So first, if you don't know how to do it already, make a file, new file, index.html. So you make an index page, index.html.
Exclamation mark.
You've already done all this. Website. And then you just put link. So link rel equals apostrophe style sheet and apostrophe. More than likely it's already made both apostrophes. You then space it equals another apostrophe. Again, more than likely already spaced it, made another apostrophe. You press Control and your mouse button. Okay, with whatever you called that. I called that styles.css while the computer did it for me. But let's say if it was red.css and we wanted to make it ourselves, what we do is red.css. And there's red.css. And we will do some margin 0, padding 0, and let's say background color so you can clearly see it's changed. We'll save it, right click. Oh wait, before we do that, H1, this is text for CSS in HTML5. Open it with live server, and there we go, done.